Karen Reed retrial, a state trooper in charge of the crime scene in the snow and later punished for a subordinate's misbehavior, took the stand.
The sergeant read a few of those uncomfortable text messages that we heard last year, but he wasn't the one who sent them. NBC 10's Katie Benoit is covering the trial every day for us. She's live from Dedham with the latest in the case. Katie?
Jean Patrice, the jury got to hear about a lot of evidence as Sergeant Uri Buchanan testified. Now, he was a supervisor of Michael Proctor. Proctor was the lead investigator on this case, and he's since been fired from Massachusetts State Police.
No nudes so far.
Disturbing texts about Karen Reed front and center again in her retrial. The message chain sent by former trooper Michael Proctor.
I glanced at it, took part of the information that came through and acknowledged it with a thumbs up emoji, indicating that I read it.
Sergeant Uri Buchanan had to give up 5 vacation days for failure to reprimand his subordinate. He spent hours going through the investigation into John O'Keefe's death. The trooper says he spoke to the defendant at her parents' house in Dighton. Reed is accused of backing into the Boston police officer with her SUV after a night out in 2022.
Yes, there was a large piece of red taillight cover missing from the vehicle. She was asked if she saw him go in the house. She stated no, she did not see him go in the house.
You saw him go in the house. I saw John go in the house.
Can you just
O'Keefe's torn clothing was shown to the jury in a new glass case. Video showed Reed's damaged taillight as she went to look for O'Keefe. Prosecutors say her phone connected to the home Wi-Fi hours earlier at 12:36 in the morning, but
There was no Ring video for that time frame.
Did you delete the Ring video? I wouldn't know how.
On cross-examination, the focus was back to Proctor and the role he had in the investigation. Reed's defense claims she was framed.
The investigation was handled with integrity by my...
Buchanan will be back on the stand tomorrow for more cross-examination. It's also possible 2 minors could testify tomorrow. Cameras will not be allowed in the courtroom for that. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.